Welcome dear student for the first segment, Grade 11 Health and Physical Education, St. Peter's College, Ground 4, Nigambo branch. Today I am going to discuss with you about Grade 11 lesson number 7. It's a second term lesson. Let us use equipment adapting correct posture. We engage with different activities in our day-to-day life. If you apply the incorrect posture, there can be many failures in your systems. Therefore, definitely we have to follow the correct posture. Under this lesson, I am ready to discuss with you application of the correct posture in daily life, benefits what we get from the correct posture, harms of the incorrect posture, principles of biomechanics, handling equipment in daily life, and at the end there's a question and answers. Under lesson introduction, application of correct posture is very important when you handle different equipments in day-to-day life. Therefore, it helps to reduce the ailments in your body and minimize the damage to your body systems. Right, there's a question for you. Do we have to maintain the correct posture? Definitely your answer should be yes, because to be healthy and physically healthy, we have to maintain the correct posture and also for the correct physique. And if you apply the incorrect posture, you will lose your body beauty and the youthful appearance. Right, there are some examples for the day-to-day application of the correct posture. Here this person is trying to lower this object. In the second diagram, this person is trying to elevate this object. This person is trying to push this heavy object. And in the last, this person is trying to lift this heavy object. Under all these situations, under all these instances, we have to apply the correct posture. Here, how do you apply the correct posture when you sit in front of a computer? First three diagrams are for the correct application and the last three diagrams for the incorrect application. Now let us see what are the benefits we get from the correct posture. It is easy to do our day-to-day activities. We can minimize the damage to your muscular system, damage to the skeletal system, and can minimize the damage to the nervous system. Then there can be no failures in your body, and to maintain the correct body shape, and for the correct physique, and to stay healthy. Let us see what are the harms of the incorrect posture. There can be muscle cramps, nerve failures, dislocation of your bones, back pain. There can be fractures, bone fractures, losing of the appearance and the body beauty. Let us learn how to manipulate or how to handle equipment applying the knowledge of principles of biomechanics. Under principles of biomechanics, there are 6 principles of biomechanics. Let us see what are they. Center of gravity, balance, inertia or we call laziness, force, direction of the force and the momentum. Now we are entering to the most important part of the lesson, is handling of different equipment in daily life. First we will see the basic principles to be applied when you push an equipment or when you push an object. When you push an object, here you can see this object is heavy. This person is pushing the object. Look at his head and the torso. They are in a straight line. And feet. Between the two legs, there is a space. This is known as supporting base. Definitely, there should be a wider supporting base and body should be lean forward, angled forward. Fine. Next, we will see what are the basic principles to be applied when you push a steel vehicle. Here, the first diagram is for the correct application of the posture. Second diagram is incorrect posture. Look at the first one. According to the first one, you can see head and the torso, they are in a straight line with the back leg. Wider supporting base, the space between feet greater here. So this is the wider supporting base, and pressing the feet against the ground, that is to gather force. So the requirements, head and the torso in a straight line, the body should be lean forward. Body should be lean forward by the supporting base. This is the wrong application of the posture. Next, the basic principles to be applied when you pull an object. When you pull an object, the torso and the head should be in a straight line, and the body should be lean backward. This is the object what you pull, and wider supporting base and pressing your legs against the ground, that is to gather force. And here very important point is the body balancing. Right, we'll move to the next slide. Lifting or elevating a weight. You can see there are 4 diagrams. First 2 are for the incorrect application. The bottom 2 diagrams are for the correct posture. Now when you elevate an object, your body should be kept straight and by the supporting base. And you should bend your knees. Lower the body, bend your knees and bring the object close to your body as much as possible. Then also remember to maintain the center of gravity of your body. And the next point is weight of the object should be distributed equal between the 2 legs. From this method, easily you can elevate an object. Next, how do you lower an object which is at a higher position? You have to keep the torso and the head in a straight line. Move one leg forward, the other leg is back, the wider supporting base, and hold the weight close to your body. This is the wrong application of the posture. Right. By application of the correct posture, you can spend a safe and a healthy life. Next, we will move to the question. In the first question, it says, why do we have to maintain the correct posture in daily life? Second one, what are the benefits we get by maintaining the correct posture? Third question says, mention the principles of biomechanics. Write the main points to be considered when pushing an object. Write the main points to be considered when you pull an object. What are the body parts to be kept straight when you lower an object? Can there be injuries due to the incorrect posture? The answers are here. Question number 1, 2. Question number 3, 4, 5. Question number 6 and question number 7. You write your answers and check whether the written answers are correct. Fine. Be healthy and physically wealthy to energize the world. Thank you and God bless you.